In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Ghost of Tsushima with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you and your friends to play Ghost of Tsushima multiplayer, all that you have to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the game and that you can enter Legends mode. Ghost of Tsushima Legends is a unique cooperative multiplayer mode that offers a unique experience to the game's single-player campaign. So the first requirement is that you are running the latest version of the game. Everyone should go ahead to the PlayStation Store or the Steam Store and make sure that you update the game properly. Once the game is up to date, you will be able to find the Enter Legends mode option from the home screen. If you don't see this option, then you might have to progress the story enough. If you are in-game, you can also look for the Gyozen the Storyteller NPC in various towns and locations. I'm gonna show you an example on screen. Talking to this NPC will also give you access to the Legends mode. The first time that you go into the Legends mode, you will be guided through the process of selecting your starting job. So they will give you a tutorial for the 4 playable classes that they offer: Samurai, Hunter, Ronin, and Assassin. Each class has unique abilities and playstyles, and you should pick the one that best suits you. So play with them for a little while in the tutorial, and you will be given the choice to get starting gear and abilities for one of these classes. Once this is done, you are good to go to start playing. So you and your friends will be able to go over to play now and see all of the main modes. So you have the option to just do quick play, or you will be matched up against other people, or you will be able to choose story if you have 2 people, survival if you are in a group of 4, and then rivals if you are also in a group of 4. Finally, you have challenge mode. If you want to invite your friends, just go back to the home screen and choose the social tab, where you will be able to see your friends list and you can invite them from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Ghost of Tsushima with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.